What's up, Biggie fam? Welcome back. How y'all doing, man? I miss y'all so much. I know you missed me. You can say you didn't, but you lying. Biggie fam, welcome back on this wonderful Friday. Okay? Now, for me, Friday's the start of the weekend. And what better way to start my weekend than with some cards to open up for y'all? And man, do I got a nice one today. Here we have in front of us is Pokemon's newest set of TINS. What are they, you might ask? Well, we got Zapdos, Articuno, and Moltres from the Galar region. And inside each and every single one of them are some Crown Zenith packs. And if there's one thing we know about Crown Zenith is the number of hits that they give. So, what do you guys think? Should we open all three? Yes, we will. You know why? Because we're going to compare all of them and we're going to see which bird gives the best hits. But before anything, Biggie fam, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button down below, please. I'm asking nicely. Hit that subscribe. Let all your friends and family know. Hit that notification icon. Leave a like. You know you want to. Of course you do. When you look at these videos, how can you not? Hit that subscribe, hit the like, and let's grow the community. So without further ado, we're gonna start off with, I don't know. Why don't we do Zapdos? Alright, so we'll bring this bad boy up to the front. We'll get these two out of the way. Just for times like right now. Maybe I'll even adjust my camera here. Yes, sir. There we go. Get that bubble out there. Now let's take a look at this box more closely. Here we do have, Galarian Zapdos. On the sides, they're all the same for all the boxes. You got the Articuno, you got the Moltres, you got the Zapdos. And in the back, they all say the same thing. Not that it's a bad thing, just, the only difference is the front. In this case, we got the Galarian Zapdos with that promo right there. So, what do? We're gonna bring out our trusted little opening knife. Cut that slit right there. Put that away. And we have that seal broken. Now, of course, it's not that hard to rip this. It's not that, tightly packaged, but nonetheless, let us open up. Here we have it. Now, what do we have first? Of course, we can't continue without looking at this promo up close. We got that Galarian Zapdos. That's such a stunning card. That hollow foil on there. It's absolutely amazing. Can't go wrong with that whatsoever. It's a little slightly off-centered, which is totally okay, but that's beautiful. And here you guys go. For those of you who play the online TCG, good luck to all of you. I hope you guys pull something awesome. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy sleeved up because that's really important for me. Look at, oh man, that Zapdos looks so good. Now, I've always, loved the OG birds. I thought they were super cool, love my legendary birds. I wasn't sure how I felt about the whole Galarian variants of them, but I can't say that they're bad. Oh man, here we go. This is what I'm talking about. We get 5 beautiful Crown Zenith booster packs in each of these tins. So we're gonna open up a ton of cards right now. How can we not? Go ahead and put this bad boy back. Get that closed up. Put up out the way. So we can make it rain with some packs today. Woo! Alright. What do you guys think? You think we're gonna pull something? I know we are. So obviously right now we're doing the Galarian Zapdos tin. Let's see what we're gonna get for Team Zapdos today. Come on now. There we go. I was like, it wasn't that hard to open them before. Don't know why they'd be hard now. Let's get you guys that code card. Boom. Okay, what do you guys think? Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I said water energy. Oh, fire. Well, hopefully we start with some fire openings, right? What do you say? We got Pink Urchin. We got the Great Ball. Bisharp. Grubbin. Skrelp. We got our Wooloo. Helioptile. Handcham. Oh, ho, ho, ho! What? Ladies and gentlemen, we went ahead and we pulled the Golden Arceus V-Star. I mean, I know we pulled it before, but I can't believe I pulled it again. And we got a regular rare Volcarona. And oh my god, is this one immaculate. No, offset it from top to bottom. The back, same thing, but I mean, it's a golden rare Arceus V-Star. Ladies and gentlemen, and in case you were wondering what I mean by we've done it again, here is it before. So I have another one now. I will not be upset about having two of these. Absolutely love it. I am missing one of them though, you know. We are missing one, so hopefully we can pull it. Now, come on now. Team Zapdos out here said we're not gonna give it that easily to the other birds. There's no way. There's no way. And that was only pack number one. What I'm telling you, Crown Zenith just blesses everyone with cards. Here you go. I'm telling y'all, a fire energy. Oh, it was psychic. I was so confident on the fire one. We got the Gloom, Crushing Hammer, Luxio, Meowth, Energy Retrieval, Shinx, Larvesta, Ponyard. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. The holographic fighting energy. I didn't have this one. Now I'm glad I do. I love it. And regular Executor, but we did pull this, which to me is a hit because I do want to collect all of them. Now I do think these are probably ones I might just buy a whole set of later. They're not really that pricey. I'm not gonna, you know, hunt these like some of the other hits, but you know, it's not bad either. All right, pack number 3. What you got for me? Yeah, Zapdos definitely isn't going down easily. Here we go. Let's say fire energy again. No, it was steel. All right, we got electric, digging duo, Girafarig, Sunkern. All right, coughing, Oddish, Salandit, energy search, Mareep, Galarian Gallery. What? What I'm telling you, we don't miss. Oh, and the autographed Leon. I love his little brother right there. Look at that. Oh, man, what I'm telling you. Crown Zenith. Are you kidding me? Guys, if you're not opening Crown Zenith packs, if you don't buy these sets, if you're not out there getting these tins, these boxes with Crown Zenith, I don't know. I don't know what you're thinking because I'm probably going to run out of, you know, sleeves and top holders after these 3 tins. You guys see that? You guys see what I'm saying? I don't know. That had to just have been a broken box because that tin, unbelievable so far. We're not even done. We're not even done. 3, we got 4 from the back. I'm gonna keep saying fire till we get it. Now we're getting all the energies today. Rescue Carrier, Valeron, we got Friends in Sinnoh, Pancham, Snorunt, Rockruff, Tangela, Baltoy, Switch, Reverse, Duraludon V. Wow, 4 for 4. Biggie fan, we're 4 for 4. Are you kidding me? Oh man, there's just no way. I mean, there is a way, but also like there's no way. Look at that. Duraludon V. You're sticking with me. Last and final pack for this 1 tin. Now we got 2 more tins. which means we got 10 more Crown Zenith packs to go. Let me get you guys that code card. Let's see what pack number 5 has in store for us. Now, obviously, if pack number 5 doesn't have anything, I'm going to be sad. I'm going to say Fighting Energy. You know, we're not doing so good on the guest energies, but that's okay because we're doing really well on the pools. Luxio, Rescue Carrier, Yanma, Ponyard, Bidoof, Potion, Mr. Mime, Calyrex, Reverse, and wow, I'm almost disappointed. I am disappointed. I mean, we went 4 for 4. I was like, come on, let's do 5 for 5. Oh man, what do we? It's unbelievable. I don't know. What do we do next? You know what? I do know. We'll do Articuno next. Just look at that. I really want to look at how that looks. Now, again, you know, I'll just quickly show the tin. The front is really what's different. The front of it's really what's different. You got the Articuno. Other than that, you know, the bottom here, the sides are all the same. Same with the back. It's really just mainly the front of it that's different, and it just matches what, you know, what you're gonna be getting inside. Get the trusted little seal breaker here. Seal is broken. We already knew it would be. Throw that to the side. Look at that stunning card. Let's take a look at it. Oh man, that might be one of my favorites. Love it. Let's go ahead and give you guys that up close and personal look. This one looks a lot more symmetrical. Still a little slightly off center, but those colors. And of course, here you go. Let me know what you guys pull, okay? I really am curious. I really do want to know if you guys pulling good, if y'all ain't pulling that good, what's going on and why. That Articuno. Y'all remember back in the day when my boy Charizard bopped down to Articuno? Yes, sir. But now it's Psychic, so it's a little bit of a different ball game. There we go. Look at that. You know, we're done with the Zapdos. Now we're Team Articuno here with those 5 absolutely stunning packs of Crown Zenith. Let's get this out of the way here. Get that out of the way there. And take a look at these. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see what we can pull out of these 5. Now we all remember what happened in the last box. Let's see if this one has anything close to it. What do you think? You think we got this? I think we got this. We have to. We can't let that tin just win like that. There we go. Sometimes it doesn't even want to focus. It's more excited than I am. We don't even have to guess that energy. It just wants us to jump right into it. All right, we got the Crushing Hammer. We got the Gloom. Friends in Sinnoh. Kricketot. Ponyard. Yanma. Chatted. Love Disc. Reverse Pancham and regular rare Blossom. Did we just have a really rare tin before this? I don't know. But nonetheless, we got some crazy hits. Take a look at that here. And wow, that's 2 V-Stars in a row from the same tin. Yeah. The article is like, yo, just get to it. Lost Vacuum. Friends in Hisui. Okay. Ultra Ball. Whelmer. Meowth. We got the Baltoy. Tangela. Larvesta. Reverse Pokecatcher. Regular Rare Zero Aura. Wow. Now I'm getting slightly worried. Pack number 3. Okay. Pack number 3. Feels so fresh. That glue. That seal. I want to say fighting energy. Oh, that's right. Pats on the back, baby. Pats on the back. We got Gloom, Friends and Sinnoh. We got Laron, Tangela, Rockruff, Snorunt, Pancham, Shinx, Snorlax, Reverse, and well, we got a holographic Absol. There we go. So we pulled a holo. You know, it's a hit, definitely a hit. Still a contender. You know, we got something out of it. I'm not gonna sit here and say, you know, we got nothing, because we got something. You guys liking my hat, by the way? Let me know. Let me know what you think. I used to wear these a lot. It's been very gloomy and very cold outside. LA's just, I don't know what's going on with it. No one knows what's going on with it. We had hurricane like season basically. We got a tornado yesterday. You know, just some miles outside of downtown Los Angeles. We've had more rain this year than Seattle. Water energy. See, I was gonna guess water. I was. Luxio, Vacuum, Solrock, Purloin, Salandit. We got the Coffin, Bidoof, Sunkern, Calyrex Reverse, regular Executor. I'm very disappointed in this 10. But we do have one more pack. Maybe it's gonna redeem it. You know, maybe it's gonna help redeem it. We're gonna pull something so crazy where I'm gonna be like, yo, it just won. Say fire. Oh, psychic again. Okay. Pokemon Catcher. Graveler. Bisharp. Heron. Rockruff. Seal. Ponyard. Corphish. Emolga, and Hatterene VMAX, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, well, we got a hit. We got a big hit. We got a nice hit. Real nice hit. Yes, we do. We got the Hatterene VMAX. Alright. Oh, man, I love those colors again. So, we have pulled this. I'm not upset about pulling it again. Anytime we get a VMAX, we get excited. It's for the community. It's for the channel. It's, you know, it's the biggies, novelties, luck. It's because it's you guys. It's all of your love, all of your support, all of your sending over your energy and your luck this way. Okay, that's why we just got down to 2 tins. We got some fire hits out of each, but we got one more. Okay, we do. So last but certainly not least, we do have my personal favorite legendary bird from the OGs, Moltres. However, not sure how I really feel about the Galarian variant, but I do love Moltres. I mean, look at it, absolutely stunning. Now let's take a real quick up close and personal look. Like mentioned before, you know, we got just the front is different, the top part right here, because it does match the promo you get. The rest of it is the same all around. There we go. Let's get our trusty little seal breaker here. Put that away now. We don't need that anymore because the seal is broken. So that's what we're here for, aren't we? We're not here to hold these in private little cabinets sealed away. That's not what we do. That's not how we roll. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, definitely my favorite card of the 3. I love the colors. I love how like there's this earthy moon style little array coming down with those lines and those colors. And you got the, that's just a beautiful, beautiful card. Very nice. Go ahead and pull that out for you guys. Look at it more closely. That's so pretty. Yeah, I love it. Oh, and of course, I know some of you guys are really, really waiting for. But man, look at that. Can't go wrong with that. Let's go ahead and leave that away. And let's start the journey for the Moltres. What do you guys think? You think we still have a chance to beat Articuno and Zapdos? I think we do. I really do. I think we have a very solid chance of beating both of them. Is it gonna be easy? Most certainly not. But we can. We can. Let's put that away as well. And look at the 5 absolutely amazing Crown Zenith packs that we get from this tin as well. Put that up here and let's just start. Pack number 1. And by the way, Biggie fam, if you've been liking the video so far and you've enjoyed what you're watching, please, if you haven't already, subscribe down below. It would mean the absolute world to me. I love doing this. I want to keep doing this, and I know we can. All right, and if we want to keep doing this, just hit that subscribe, hit that like, share it with all your friends, your family, everyone. Know how much good it would do to join the community, join the Biggie family. Simply subscribing and liking this video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Okay, tell me of these 3, who's your favorite bird? First of all, of the 3, I'm not gonna make you guys pick it above anyone else, but of the 3, which one your favorite is and why? And in your opinion, which one of them won? Okay, but keep watching. Let's see what we can do. Fire energy. Oh, lightning. Well, it was lightning. It's gonna be electrifying tin is what it's gonna be. Lost Vacuum, Luxio, Metang, Yanma, Poniard, Quick-Attack, Lynx, Shinx, Mr. Mime, Riolu Reverse, and regular rare Pancoro. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Well, one bad pack doesn't mean the rest are gonna be bad. Let's see here. There you go. Now I really think we're gonna get a pull on this one. It's about time. It's about time we get something. Water energy. I was fighting. But it's about time that we pull. I think we can. Girafarig, Pink Urchin, Purloin, Love Disc, Chatted, Yanma, Poniard, Reverse Bishop, and regular rare Tauros. Sad. Come on, Moltres. I'm over here hyping you up. But we got 3 more packs to go, baby. Let's see. Throw that away. There you go. 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Fighting. Fire. Finally. Does that mean it's gonna be a fire pack? Quack Rock, Lunatone, Soul Rock, Execute, Energy Retrieval, Emolga, Love Disc, Chatted, Dunsparce, Galarian Gallery, and Holographic Capsule. Okay, we'll take it. I mean, I'll always take a twofer. I'll never be upset with that. Let's get that holo on there as well. Of course, you get the holographic Absol and the Galarian Gallery. Dunsparce. Oof, man. You're telling me anything besides this is amazing? It's not. Crown Zenith by far probably one of my absolute favorite sets of recent years. It's literally hits after hits after hits. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. Let's say Dark Energy. No, it was metal. That's alright. Trekking Shoes, Luxio, Lost Vacuum, Emolga. We got Yungoos, Cherubi, Execute, Rockruff, Solrock Reverse, and Leafeon V, baby. That's right. That's right. We got another pull. We got another pull. And you know what? It's clearly obvious which two birds are really fighting it out. Now we still have another pack, so there's a chance that we can come and reclaim that prize. But who knows? Who knows? It's still anyone's game. We still have one more pack. And we've seen how Crown Zenith is. We know how Crown Zenith is. We know how crazy it can be. So let's see if it's gonna be that good to me. Last and final pack of Crown Zenith for today's video. Oh, I'm so excited. And are you guys excited? I mean, not just for this, but for Scarlet and Violet coming out. All right, Scarlet Violet base set openings coming very soon to y'all. Let's say Water Energy. Pats on the back, absolutely. Rare Candy, Dusclops, Energy Switch, Starly, Scyther, Pokeball, Yungoos, Cherubi, Purloin, Reverse, and regular Enamoris. Well, that's still okay, because keep in mind, pulls were amazing. Biggie fam, let's do a real quick recap. All right, first things first. From the Articuno, we got a holographic Absol. Focus. Holo Absol. The Hatterene of VMAX. And the Galarian Articuno, of course. Then, from the Moltres, another holographic Absol. But we got the Leafeon V. Dunsparce Galarian Gallery. And, of course, the Galarian Moltres. But coming in at first place, in my opinion, my humble opinion, okay, would have to be this group right here. So we had the Leon autograph, right? Holo. Duraludon V. Mareep Galarian Gallery. Holographic Energy. Golden Rare Arceus V-Star. And that Galarian Zapdos. Oh my goodness. If you guys thought that this video was great, let all your friends and family know. But also, let me know down below. Maybe you don't agree with my outcome. Maybe you think one of the other ones was better, or there were just hits or cards you prefer more. Let me know what you thought about this video. Hit that subscribe. Please hit that like button. Give a thumbs up. Let everybody know. All right? With that being said, Biggie fam, I love y'all. I'm so thankful you guys come here every week. Keep watching my videos. Let's grow. We hit over 200 subscribers, so thank you guys on that one. Next goal is 250, and then the 500, and 1,000 we go, baby. Slow and steady, but we're gonna get there. Thanks to you guys, and let's keep pushing. I love y'all. I will miss y'all. Have a great weekend. Until next time, I'll see y'all later.